Hello and welcome to the WallMantra show, where you can get all the tips and tricks to decorate your home like a professional interior designer. I am your host Aryan. Today I am going to tell you what kind of furniture you should choose to give a bohemian look. Bohemian decor resonates with people in art. You have a free hand in choosing artistic elements and furnitures to complement it. Tip number 1. Go for carved and traditional wooden tables and cabinets like the ones shown in the pictures. Tip number 2. Place a nice little wooden coffee table with a traditional sofa set and complement it with colorful drapery or jute floor cushion. Tip number 3. You can go for bamboo furniture. It will be simple yet elegant and under budget too. So, this was all about choosing a furniture for bohemian look. For more professional tips like these, stay tuned to the WallMantra show every Friday, Saturday and Sunday at 6.